How bubblegum is made in factory. Bubblegum, a chewy and flavorful confection enjoyed by people of all ages, has a fascinating history dating back to the late 19th century. Its origins can be traced to 1869 when a substance called chicle, derived from the sap of the sapodilla tree in Central America, was used as a base for chewing gum. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that bubblegum, as we know it today, took shape. In 1928, an accountant named Walter Deemer, working for the Fleer Chewing Gum Company, stumbled upon a unique formula that was less sticky and could blow bubbles more easily. Its creation, called Double Bubble, became a sensation, and it marked the birth of the modern bubblegum. Over the years, various companies introduced their own bubblegum brands, each with distinct flavors, colors, and packaging catering to the ever-evolving tastes of consumers. Bubblegum has remained a beloved treat, featuring prominently in popular culture, including its iconic role in the world of baseball cards, and continues to be a delightful and nostalgic part of candy history. Ingredient mixing. The first step in the production of bubblegum is the meticulous mixing of its essential ingredients. These core components include sugar, gum base, corn syrup, softeners, and flavorings. The process begins in industrial-sized mixers, where these ingredients are blended together to form a homogeneous adhesive mass. Sugar, a principal component, provides the sweet taste, while the gum base, often composed of synthetic materials like synthetic rubber or polyvinyl acetate, contributes the chewy texture and elasticity crucial to bubblegum. Corn syrup serves to maintain pliability, while softeners enhance the gum's malleability and chewability. To give the bubblegum its distinctive flavor and appearance, various flavorings are added, typically encompassing a range of fruity choices such as strawberry, cherry, or grape. This meticulously calibrated mixing stage lays the foundation for the subsequent steps that shape and transform this amalgam into the familiar, enjoyable bubblegum product. Gum base. The gum base is a fundamental and pivotal ingredient in the production of bubblegum. Comprising a mixture of synthetic materials, it plays a central role in defining the gum's characteristic properties. Typically, the gum base includes components like synthetic rubber, paraffin wax, or polyvinyl acetate. These materials are carefully selected to provide the gum with its distinct chewy texture and elasticity. When heated and combined with other ingredients, the gum base becomes pliable, enabling it to be shaped and molded into the desired form. It acts as the structural backbone that allows bubblegum to maintain its shape while providing the enjoyable resistance and stretchiness that make chewing it a satisfying experience. In essence, the gum base is the key element that transforms the initial mixture of ingredients into the iconic, stretchable, and chewable product known as bubblegum. Heating and melting. The heating and melting phase is a critical step in the production of bubblegum, where the gum base and other essential ingredients are transformed into a pliable and workable mass. This process typically involves subjecting the gum base, which may consist of synthetic rubber, paraffin wax, or polyvinyl acetate, to elevated temperatures. The application of heat softens the gum base, allowing it to become more malleable. In this heated state, the gum base is combined with other components such as sugar, corn syrup, softeners, and flavorings. The heat helps in blending these ingredients uniformly, creating a homogeneous mixture that is essential for the gum's texture, flavor, and consistency. As the gum base and other components meld together, they begin to take on the familiar characteristics of bubblegum, marking a significant transition in the manufacturing process. This step is crucial in achieving the desired texture and taste of the final bubblegum product. Flavor and color. The addition of flavor and color is a key stage in crafting bubblegum, enhancing its appeal and taste. During this phase, the gum base and other essential ingredients, which have been previously heated and melted, are imbued with distinct flavors and vibrant hues. Various flavorings, such as fruit extracts and essences, are carefully introduced to infuse the gum with its signature taste. Popular choices include fruity flavors like strawberry, cherry, or grape, which impart a delightful and aromatic quality to the gum. Simultaneously, vibrant food-grade colorants are incorporated to give the bubblegum its eye-catching appearance. These colors not only serve an aesthetic purpose, but also help differentiate between different flavors within a range. The flavor and color infusion is a meticulous and precise process, ensuring that the bubblegum not only tantalizes the taste buds but also visually entices consumers, making it an attractive and enjoyable treat for all ages. Extrusion. Extrusion is a pivotal step in the production of bubblegum, where the pliable gum mixture is transformed into the familiar shape and size of individual pieces or sticks. The softened gum base, previously blended with sugar, corn syrup, softeners, and flavorings, is forced through an extruder, a machine designed to shape and mold the gum. The extruder typically features specialized nozzles or dies that give the gum its desired form, which can vary from long continuous ropes to flat sheets. During extrusion, the gum remains soft and malleable, allowing it to be readily shaped according to the manufacturer's specifications. This process not only imparts the initial structure to the bubblegum, but also lays the foundation for the subsequent cooling and cutting stages. By the end of the extrusion process, the bubblegum has taken on its basic shape and is ready for further processing and packaging, marking a significant transition in its journey from raw ingredients to a finished confection. Cooling and cutting. After the extrusion process, the pliable and freshly formed bubblegum undergoes a critical stage known as cooling and cutting. In this step, the gum is allowed to cool and harden, transforming it from a soft, malleable state to a firmer, more manageable texture. Cooling is typically achieved through a combination of natural air cooling and refrigeration. Once the gum has achieved the desired consistency, it is precisely cut into individual pieces or sticks of the desired size. This process ensures uniformity and consistency in the final product. The cooling and cutting phase is a crucial element in the production process as it sets the stage for the packaging and distribution of the bubblegum, making it ready for consumption. This step also plays a significant role in determining the gum's overall quality and texture, ensuring that it meets the expected standards of chewiness and flavor. Wrapping and packaging are the final stages in the production of bubblegum, where the freshly cut and cooled gum pieces are prepared for distribution and sale. Each individual piece or stick of bubblegum is carefully wrapped to maintain its freshness, prevent sticking, and provide a protective barrier against external elements. Common wrapping materials include wax paper, aluminum foil, or plastic. These wrappers often feature branding, flavor information, and eye-catching designs to entice consumers. Once wrapped, the bubblegum pieces are sorted and grouped into the desired quantities for packaging. Depending on the manufacturer and market, bubblegum is packaged in various ways, such as small foil pouches, blister packs, or colorful boxes. This stage ensures that the bubblegum reaches consumers in a convenient and hygienic manner, making it a portable and enjoyable treat. In addition to the practical aspects of packaging, it also plays a significant role in marketing and branding, as visually appealing packaging can attract consumers and help establish the product's identity and competitive market. Once packaged, the bubblegum is ready for distribution to retailers, marking the final step in its journey from raw ingredients to the enticing, ready-to-enjoy confection that is beloved by people of all ages. Quality control in bubblegum production is essential to ensure that the final product meets safety and taste standards. Throughout the manufacturing process, rigorous checks are conducted at various stages. These inspections encompass ingredient sourcing, consistency in mixing, flavor accuracy, and uniformity in the size and shape of gum pieces. Additionally, tests for texture, color, and taste are conducted to guarantee that the bubble gum maintains its desired qualities. These stringent quality control measures assure that consumers receive a safe, enjoyable, and consistent product when they unwrap a piece of bubblegum. Labeling in bubblegum packaging involves the addition of essential information for consumers. This typically includes the brand name, nutritional facts, ingredient list, any allergy warnings, and often enticing graphics or designs. The label also serves to provide consumers with important information about the product, such as flavor variants and storage instructions. This labeling ensures transparency, informs consumers, and aids in their selection of the desired bubblegum product, while also complying with legal regulations and safety standards. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.